Hey everyone, are you tired of that cluttered desktop on Windows 11, but you don't want to delete your icons? Well, I've got just the solution for you. Let's dive right in. Tutorial steps. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. A menu will pop up. Scroll down to View. Step 2. In the View menu, you'll see an option that says Show Desktop Icons. Simply click on it to uncheck the box. And there you go. Just like that, your desktop icons magically disappear, giving you a clean, clutter-free desktop. Tip for accessing hidden icons. But wait, how do you access those hidden icons when you need them? Don't worry, it's just as simple. Repeat the same steps. Right-click on the desktop, go to View, and checkmark Show Desktop Icons. Your icons will reappear as if by magic. And that's how you quickly hide and unhide your desktop icons on Windows 11. Say goodbye to desktop clutter without losing access to your important icons. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.